Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nubia Red Magic 5S smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can share the Wi-Fi password on this device. So first of all, swipe down for the notification and control center to appear. Here locate the Wi-Fi shortcut, tap and hold on it in order to get to the Wi-Fi settings. Choose the network that you would like to share the password of. In my case I'll be using this HardReset.Info 5G network as for an example. And here you'll get, once tapping on the network, you'll get this QR code which you gotta scan by the device that you want to connect this network, that you want to share the password of this Wi-Fi network with. In my case, I'll be using this Nokia Android smartphone. Open up the camera and use the Google Lens in order to scan this QR code. So frame it. Once it gets recognized, tap on the code and wait for this Join Network button to appear. Then all you gotta do is tap on this button, and as you will see right now, our Nokia phone will be successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!